Listen, most guys underestimate just how much more attractive they can actually become. They look in the mirror and think, this is just how I look. I can't really change much. But the truth is, you can completely transform the way people see you. You don't need to be rich. You don't need perfect genetics. What you really need is strategy. Because attractiveness is built, not born. Today, I'm going to show you 10 ways to look 10 times more attractive. If you follow these, I promise you, people will literally see you differently within weeks. Women will notice, men will respect you, and most importantly, you'll respect yourself. So let's break down the exact steps. Step 1. Fix your posture and presence. The very first thing people notice about you isn't your face. It's your posture. If you walk into a room hunched over, with your shoulders caved in, you immediately look weak, shy, and insecure. But if you stand tall, shoulders back, chest open, you instantly radiate confidence. Good posture changes your entire aura. It makes you look leaner, taller, and more masculine without changing a single thing about your body. Practice walking with your head up, back straight and slow, controlled steps. People who move with purpose look powerful. You don't need to say a word, but your presence alone will speak volumes. Step 2. Master the art of grooming. Attractiveness starts with looking clean, sharp, and well-kept. Most guys don't realize how much a proper haircut, trimmed beard, and clean eyebrows can change their entire look. It's like a free glow-up that instantly boosts your attractiveness. Go to a good barber. Find a hairstyle that frames your face. If you have a beard, learn to shape it properly to enhance your jawline. Keep your eyebrows tidy, but don't overdo it. And please, trim your nails. Keep your hands clean and never overlook the small details. Because trust me, people notice them more than you think. Step 3. Upgrade your style. Clothes are not just fabric you throw on your body. They're a weapon. The right outfit can make you look taller, leaner, and sharper without changing anything about your actual body. Most men lose attractiveness because they wear baggy, sloppy clothes that make them look like boys instead of men. Here's the rule. Fit is king. A simple plain t-shirt that hugs your shoulders and chest will look more attractive than an expensive designer shirt that doesn't fit. Stick to neutral colors like black, white, gray, and navy. These shades look classy and masculine on any guy. And always wear clean shoes. Dirty shoes can ruin your whole look. Step 4. Define your jawline and face. Your face is the first thing people lock onto when they talk to you. And while you can't change your bone structure overnight, you can sharpen your features. First, cut down on excess water weight by drinking more water and less soda or alcohol. This will reduce puffiness. Second, practice chewing gum or mastic gum to keep your jaw active and toned. Third, learn good facial grooming. A beard trimmed the right way can highlight your jaw and make it look stronger. Even without surgery, you can make your face appear more structured and masculine just by following these habits consistently. Step 5. Smell like a man who has his life together. People remember your scent more than your clothes. Think about it. You could look amazing, but if you smell bad, everything is ruined. On the other hand, a man with a good fragrance can turn heads without saying a word. Here's the formula. Step out of the shower, moisturize your skin, then spray a quality fragrance on your neck and wrists. Don't overdo it. 2 or 3 sprays are enough. Also, keep your breath fresh. Carry gum or mints with you. The combination of smelling clean, fresh, and masculine is one of the easiest ways to become unforgettable. Step 6. Unlock the power of eye contact. Nothing makes you more magnetic than strong eye contact. When you look people in the eyes while talking, it shows confidence, strength, and self-assurance. But most guys avoid eye contact because they feel insecure. That's exactly why mastering it will set you apart. Here's the secret. Don't stare aggressively. Hold eye contact just long enough to show confidence, then look away slowly. If you're talking to a woman, eye contact with a slight smile makes you mysterious and attractive. If you're talking to a man, it shows dominance and respect. The way you use your eyes can literally change the way people feel around you. Step 7. Control your voice. Your voice is one of the most powerful tools you have. A man who speaks in a calm, slow, and deep tone will always be seen as more attractive than a guy who talks fast and nervously. Women are naturally drawn to deeper, controlled voices because they signal confidence and security. If your voice is too high or weak, practice speaking from your chest instead of your throat. Slow down your speech. Pause between sentences. The way you deliver your words matters more than the words themselves. Mastering your voice will instantly upgrade your presence and make you 10 times more attractive. Step 8. Take care of your skin. Glowing skin is one of the clearest signs of health and attractiveness. You don't need an expensive 12-step skincare routine. All you need is consistency. Wash your face twice a day. Use a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. And always wear sunscreen if you're going outside. Also, focus on what you put into your body. Eat more fruits, vegetables, and water. Cut down on junk food and sugar. Within weeks, your skin will look clearer, fresher, and more alive. Nothing screams attractiveness like a healthy, glowing face. Step 9. Move like a man with control. Attractive men don't rush. They don't fidget nervously or move without purpose. Their movements are calm, controlled, and deliberate. This gives off the vibe of a man who is in charge of his life. When you walk, move at a steady pace. When you sit, don't slouch. When you use your hands while speaking, keep your gestures slow and controlled. These small adjustments make you look more powerful and attractive instantly. Remember, people don't just listen to your words. They study how you move. Step 10. Build a lifestyle that speaks for you. The last point is the most powerful one. True attractiveness doesn't just come from looks. It comes from your lifestyle. If you hit the gym regularly, if you eat clean, if you work on your goals, if you carry yourself like a man with purpose, people will feel that energy. Women are naturally attracted to men who are disciplined, focused, and ambitious. Men respect men who chase goals and stay consistent. So instead of trying to fake attractiveness, build it from within. Your body, your energy, your vibe, all comes from the lifestyle you choose to live. Attractiveness is not just about your face. It's not about money or genetics. It's about how you carry yourself, how you groom yourself, how you smell, how you speak, and how you live your life. If you apply even half of these 10 steps, you will look like a completely different man in just weeks. People will notice. Your confidence will skyrocket, and you'll finally feel like the man you were meant to be. So stop waiting. Stop doubting yourself. Start today, because your glow up is in your hands.